In the ancient city of Damascus, where the call to prayer echoed between stone walls, there lived a poor merchant named Hassan ibn Umar. His shop was small, his earnings little, but his heart was filled with faith. While others chased gold, Hassan chased Barakah, blessings from Allah. One year, a famine struck Damascus. Prices soared, grains vanished, and fear spread like dust in the wind. Hassan's children hadn't eaten a full meal in days. He looked at his last bag of wheat, and tears filled his eyes. Hassan's wife said to him, "Maybe you can sell what's left at a higher price. Everyone else is doing the same." Hassan replied softly, "But if I cheat today, how can I face Allah tomorrow?" A wealthy trader enters Hassan's shop. The rich trader smiled and said, "Just a little dust in the bag, no one will know. You'll earn double. Everyone does it." Hassan's heart raced. His family was hungry. His eyes fell on his children sleeping beside the empty breadbasket. He whispered, "Ya Allah, guide me."
And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out and provide for him from where he does not expect.
Hassan smiled at the trader and said, "My risk comes from Allah, not from cheating His people." While dishonest traders celebrated their profits, a storm came overnight, sweeping through the warehouses and destroying all their goods. But Hassan's small shop, humble and open to the sky, stood untouched. The next morning, people rushed to him. His shop was the only one with clean, dry wheat left. The governor of Damascus heard of a merchant who refused to cheat even during famine. He summoned Hassan and said, From today, you will supply the royal granary. We need men who fear Allah more than they fear hunger." That day, Hassan returned home not just with wealth, but with peace. Hassan never forgot the night of hunger or the strength it gave him. In a world full of shortcuts and deception, the story of Hassan reminds us real risk doesn't come from tricks. It comes from taqwa, from honesty, and from trusting the one who owns all provision. Be honest. Trust Allah. Your risk is written. Subscribe for more Islamic stories that heal the heart.